Hello everyone, my name is Daniel. Welcome to the channel. Cute intro music. Dude, for a second, I was gonna say Pop-Tart, but like, that was years ago. No, a year ago. A while ago. A couple months ago. Today, we're here to do a thing. Now, is it dark? It's not dark, I'm just delusional. A couple months ago, I'm not sure if you guys remember, but I went shopping at Forever 21 and I got jeans. I got 2 pairs of jeans, but the problem was, although they fit lengthwise and they fit around like my legs and stuff like that, they did not fit around my waist, which is sad because I don't want to wear belts out all the time, especially when I don't have belts that match my shirts. So there's a problem. So I was thinking, hey, how about we do a little bit of DIY, right? And fix them up myself. And that's fine. I don't know how to work a sewing machine, even though I have a sewing machine somewhere up there. Don't know how to use it. It always turns out wrong. So I'm gonna do it with these hands and a sewing needle. So recently, I was on Pinterest, right guys? I was on Pinterest, because that's the place you go for DIY. And I saw this thing posted by like, what's it called? Inspire Uplift? Inspire Uplift. Okay, I got it. They posted sewing hacks, and one of them happened to be how to fix your jeans that don't fit around your waist. And I was like, hey, that seems like a cool idea. Let's try it. Now, the other dilemma I had was that I'm missing a pair of jeans. How does that happen? How do you lose a pair of jeans? Freaking, I don't know, but my jeans are missing. These jeans right here, these are the only jeans that I could find. The light ones. Is there anything in the pockets? I can't find the other ones. I don't know what happened to them. It's like they disappeared. I'm not sure where they would go. Maybe one of my sisters took them. I don't know. So now I'm 1 pair of jeans short, and that's kind of sad because I only have like 3 pairs of jeans to my name. Now 2, since I'm missing a pair. For now, we've got 1 pair of jeans to work with, and that's kind of sad. But let's watch this video and let's figure out how to do this. So I've got my laptop right here, my handy dandy laptop, woohoo! And we're going to watch this video. Hold on, let me just pull it up and I'm gonna play it. I'm gonna play it so you can see it too. We're gonna watch. Okay. First, they're sewing up shoes. I don't need any shoes to be sewn up. I need jeans. Jeans. Okay. Oh, the seams disappeared. Oh, whoa. That's pretty dope. All right. Okay, here's the jeans. Here's the jeans, guys. Gotcha. So you sew it on like a triangle. Whoa. Oh, that's satisfying. Wow. Wow. Okay. And then there's baby clothes. But we're not gonna work on the baby clothes. We're gonna do the jeans, okay? So let me grab my supplies. This is gonna go great. I've got a spool of thread. I've got a needle with some thread in it already. And some scissors because you're gonna need to chop your jeans to pieces. I'm just kidding, you guys saw the video. We don't have to chop our jeans to pieces. Alright, so we're gonna grab these jeans, which are unzipped and that's bothering me. Zip these. I haven't worn these in so long. I got them from Forever 21 for how much? I don't know. They wouldn't say the price. Also, I'm gonna cut out this tag just because it's like in the way. Should I get the camera closer so you guys can see? I should do that. Yeah. It's fine. Alright, so let me just move my laptop. Let's get you guys set up. You ready to go? Okay, so I got a bit closer because I'm not exactly sure how to set this up. Like, I've got no idea how. So I've got my jeans right here. We're gonna start by cutting off this top thing, like in the video. Except, I'm not sure how they did that. Oh wait, I see the little seam thingies. Alright, guys, gonna get major close right here, okay? Alright, we're gonna do this. We got scissors and we got the jeans right here. Can you see it? It's a little bit bright. Okay, there we go. Okay, hold on. It's gonna carefully snip. Carefully snip. I got a little bit, because I don't want to actually cut like something important, you know what I mean? Can you see it? Carefully snip. Carefully snip. Okay, it's going well. It's going well, guys. It's going well. I know it doesn't look like it, but it's going well. It's good. Okay. Oh. Okay. Hold on. Okay, we got this. We can do this. It's hot in here, guys. It's hot. Okay, hold on. No, no, no. Why are these scissors so low? Oh wait, I have smaller scissors. Smaller scissors. This would probably be easier to use. Who used my scissors? Now they're disgusting. I'm not using those. Okay, we're just gonna keep going with these big old dookie scissors. Ow. Finger cramp. This is hard. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I'm getting this. I'm getting this. Hold on. It's coming off, guys. It's coming. Oh, oh. Almost there, almost there. Just got a couple more threads. Yes. Yes. Go! Okay. I got it, guys. With minimal damage. See? Can you guys see? I know it's a bit bright. I don't know if it's... Oh, there we go. Because my light's so bright. Alright, so let me get these little remaining threads off. It doesn't matter if I have black thread, right? Because I do have white thread, but I feel like it's okay if I use black thread. Okay, so I'm gonna angle this down. There we go. Can you guys see good? This. Okay, so let me pull up this video again because I'm gonna do my best. Okay, so apparently what we gotta do is, okay, we cut off that thing. All right, I'm gonna tie this knot here. Tie the knot. I'm not getting married anytime soon, but we're still gonna tie this knot right here. I like to tie it a lot of times. Okay, I got a reasonable knot. Kind of. You can't really see it, but it's doing its best. I did my best. Okay, so we've got this needle. I'm using a curved needle because we do have regular needles in the house, and I know you're supposed to like use this for wigs and stuff, but I feel like these are just easier to use in general. So I've been using this needle for literally everything. Anything that needs to be sewn, I use a curved needle for it, just because I find it a lot easier. Okay, so I'm gonna play this video again. Okay, okay, so the first stitch, let me just push this back. I don't know how she got it to stay, or he, or they. I don't know how they got it to stay. Okay, whatever. But I know the first stitch goes in somewhere around here. So, I guess I'll just go away. Okay, I'm gonna stick it like right, can you guys see? Like right on this side. Right here. Kind of around where this stitch right here is. So I'm just gonna pop it, bam, bam, right here. Can you see my needle? Did you see my needle go through? Ta-da. Okay, so that's where the first stitch is supposed to go, and then they pull it through. Okay, pull through. Okay, see, there we go. All right, and then the next stitch is supposed to go where? Okay, so what they did was they pushed it on the other side. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna push it in this way, I think, and then it comes out. Question mark? Okay, we're back on the shoe. Hold on. I went too far. Okay, cut. Push in. Go a little slower. Okay. Oh, okay. So they went in and they went out immediately. So they go like this in here. I think that's straight. Hopefully. Okay, and they went. You get jeans are tight. Okay, there we go. And it went out like this. So hopefully that works. And then what? Do I just? What's after that? Okay. And it should look like this. I'm pretty sure. Can you guys see the black thread? Just move. Can you see? Okay. I'm gonna play it again so I get the second stitch right. Okay. Okay, and I think you just keep doing that across. Okay. Seems easy enough. And you're going inward at the same time, I think. Question mark. Okay. 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 Yes. Isn't it? I don't think that went all the way through the jean, but we're gonna do it anyway. We're just gonna go, yeah? No time for regrets. You only live once, right? YOLO. Okay. It looks a little crooked already, but we're not gonna worry about that because no one's gonna see your crooked apple bottom jeans, even though these really are not apple bottoms. Okay. Okay, I think I'm getting the hang of this. Look, it looks like stripes. Can you see? Can you look? It looks like it's bright. I'm sorry. It looks like stripes. Sorry, my jeans are like reflecting off the light that I have in my room. I cry. I'm very sorry. Alrighty. Okay, and stabby. What the fluff? What went wrong? Do you guys see? What happened? Oh Lord! Someone help this child. I I'm trying my best. I might have to do this again. Ow! I stabbed myself. Yeah. Get in there. Get in there. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna try to straighten this back out. But wait, is it because I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Hopefully it's nothing, but they said to keep going with it, so I mean, I'll give it my all. Okay. Okay, well, it's crooked again. It's, you know, I'm not sure if that'll affect it so much, but it might be okay. Okay, I'm bringing it in once again. Bringing it in, pushing it out. Oh gosh, it came out. Bringing it in, pushing it out. All right. Let's make sure that's around that thing. Yeah. Do you guys see what happened here? How am I getting this so wrong? I swear, not like this. This is my first time doing something like this, but you know, I do. I sewed a pair of shorts for my sister today, and I swear it wasn't this bad. Okay, so now do I just like pull it through? Okay, so look, I've made it this far. Can you guys see? Can you guys see? I know it looks like a mess, but I tried my best. I swear, I did. I tried my best. Okay, let's see. Yes. Oh, excuse me. All right. Okay, I'm watching. Yes. They get all the way to the bottom. And then they just pull it. They just pull it really tight. So I'm gonna put one more stitch in right underneath this little belt loop thing. And then I'm gonna push that in. Make sure not to stab myself. Pull it. Yeah. Okay. Pull it in, push it out, and you pull it really tight apparently. So I want this to be as satisfying as theirs was. So let's do, oh gosh, this is a mess. Okay, we're gonna, okay, look, it's going. It's not, no, it's not going. Okay, oh, it's going, guys. You see it? Do you see it? Okay. Oh, and it snapped. Okay, well, maybe that's why we were supposed to use thicker thread. But look, it was going somewhere. Guys, look, it was going. You see? You see? It was headed somewhere. It was on its merry way. Can you, no, I'm trying to block. Get out of your lamp. Can you see? It was on its way. Should I try again? Or if we just like, yeah. Come on, why'd you have to snap? Just keep pulling it. Just pull through. Finish. Come on, you can do this. I believe in you. Look, it's going, guys. It's going. Okay. So, I mean, I'll be the first to admit, it doesn't look anything like it did in the video. But it looks like something, right? Yeah? That's... Just gotta put this over it and it's like no big deal, see? It doesn't even look bad. See, that doesn't even, you know? It looks fine. I tried. That's... This is hard. Freaking... Yeah, I can't even get it out. Yeah. Okay. Well, now I've got a broken pair of jeans. At least this is my least favorite. Now I'm gonna sew this back on. I don't know how to sew a freaking belt loop back onto a pair of jeans. What? Well, I tried the sewing hack. Ended up ruining my jeans. Hold on, let me just take a thumbnail real quick, actually. Sewing hacks gone wrong. Wait, you can't even see it because the light's so bright. Hold on, let's go this way. Sewing hacks gone wrong. Wait, hold on. Chill, it's broken. It's still it's still too bright. Can you get out? Anyway, I tried. I'm probably gonna have to sew my pants back up now because they're ruined, kind of. I mean, it's just a belt loop. Nobody will notice. I wear one pair of pants anyway. You guys all know it's those black pants that I got from Forever 21 at the same time. because I don't wear jeans. Well, I do wear jeans, but the other pair is missing, and I think that those for the best. If you guys like this video of me ruining my jeans, then please leave it a like. If you didn't, me neither. There's that. So yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you, what do? You subscribe and like this video and follow me on Instagram, and I think that's all the social media I have. And check out Expresso Pink if you haven't checked out Expresso Pink, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye! This is a nightmare. I think this is what you call a nightmare. Oh, it's so bad. Shocked emoji.